Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. For my first project, I'm taking this tomato box. It's a very sturdy box, and I hate to see it go to waste, but it's not very attractive, so I'm taking this apple barrel paint in white and giving it a couple of coats. Apple barrel is part of the plaid family, and I am a plaid ambassador, and I highly recommend their paints. Once the paint's dry, I measure to see how wide and how long my box is. I'm going to cover the bottom with this contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree. I've used this contact paper on so many things. It's just, to me, I never get tired of it. It's a beautiful paper, and you certainly can't beat $1. Once I get it cut, I do a dry fit in the bottom of the box to make sure it fits. And then I come back and I pull just a little bit of the paper backing off and then just run it all the way down to lay it down without any bubbles. I run over it with a brayer to make sure everything is flat and adhered. I printed some beautiful vintage florals. I got it from Graphics Fairy, and I printed it onto tissue paper. And I'm going to use Mod Podge, which also belongs to the plaid family, and I just lay down a thin coat, and then I add my tissue paper print over and then just coat it with the top of the Mod Podge, and it just adheres so well and it ends up so pretty. And I love using this technique. It just has such a beautiful look about it, and it looks as if it's been painted on. I can't say enough about this technique. On these sides where I go over the handle, I just go ahead and I brush it on, and then I just take my scissors and clip and then just wrap it around the inside. I mean, it works so easily. And with this Mod Podge, it's almost like it just sucks into the whatever it is you're attaching it to. And here's my finished box. I think it looks a whole lot better, and it's perfect for storing my ribbon. And it's just such a good sturdy box. This is one of my favorite challenges. It's the Sunday Funday challenge, and we get to make whatever we want to make, or we can do hauls or thrifts, whatever we want to do. And the hosts are Janny and Dyanne of Deco Easy and Trish and Kay of Crafting Cousins. And I adore all four of these ladies. They are such encouragers and so kind and sweet. I will have their channels listed in my description box down below, and I'll have the playlist as well listed in my description box down below. Please check out what everybody's done. You will not be disappointed. This is such an easy project. I never get enough of these cheese boxes. Like your Velveeta or processed cheese comes in, and they make the perfect thing for storing some of your craft supplies, or even like in the bathroom. Stick them in the drawer and organize. And I'm just covering the boxes with this beautiful ribbon. In fact, this ribbon was probably my mom's, and that was back in the 90s. And I'm going to decorate one of them just to show you. They're going to go inside my drawer, so I'm not concerned with, the painting of the inside or decorating it, but I did want to show you how you can decorate it. And you could like take some of these sticker jewels and go around the top edge of your box, and it just gives it a finished look if you want the box to sit out somewhere where you can see it. And I have painted the inside of some, and I'll show that in a minute. But see, isn't it cute? And I did this one. I painted the inside and covered the inside bottom with a ribbon. It's just, you can make it as fancy as you want. And here's how they turned out. They're so perfect for organizing everything, and I can put it inside my craft table. I hope you like this. I really do love it. And here's another simple one. I hate to see a good container go to waste. And I have some little, they're called daubers. I don't even know if they make them anymore. But the top comes off real easy. But they fit in this little box perfectly. But I just painted it with a couple of coats of white chalk paint. And I just took some of my stickers I have and went around it. You could do the ribbon like I did before, or you can decoupage, whatever you want to do. I just kept it simple. And here's how it turned out. And these are the daubers I was talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you, Janny and Dyanne, Trish and Kate, for this challenge. And be sure to check out their channels as well as the playlist. And until next time, bye y'all.